Hi, Paul Duncan here, Competitive Edge Coaching. Hope you're doing really well, and welcome to Marketing Tips. I was asked recently just by a couple of my clients and prospects if I could put together a series of videos that will take people through a bit of a recipe for marketing and advertising their business. So I've done that. Over the next 12 days, I'll release a couple of videos that I put together that I call the Quick Start Strategies. They're the 10 tips for profit acceleration, which I know will guarantee to help you in your business. If you need any help with them, or if you do need any help outside that, feel free to reach out, personal message me, send me an email. Quite happy to catch up. I've always got some free strategy sessions happening that are funded by the state and federal government. So if you're struggling in business, please reach out. Quite happy to catch up, but enjoy these marketing tips going forward. Talk to you soon.
Quick Start. 10 Tactics to Profit Acceleration. As a business owner, we know that in this day and age, you're busier than ever before. Revenue and profits are critical to the survival of your business, but you lack the time and resources to take your business to the next level. From working with thousands of business owners around the world, we understand how important it is for you to find quick and effective ways to increase both revenue and profits, and do so with no out-of-pocket expense. We've selected the 10 strategies below to help you add badly needed revenue to your bottom line with little to no cost. We have streamlined each strategy so you can learn each one in 3 to 10 minutes and execute them with a minimal amount of time, effort, or expense. But best of all, each strategy will impact your overall revenue and profits dramatically, even if each one produces just a 5% increase in sales. This is the power of exponential growth, and you'll see this for yourself as you implement each strategy. By the way, most of our clients produce sales increases far in excess of 5%. We use 5% as our estimated impact so we can underpromise and overdeliver. Here's to your success.